The Steam Mop Cleaner S1000A is designed to provide deep cleaning at high temperatures, ensuring a spotless home while maintaining safety standards. This steam mop includes handy accessories like disposable mopping cloths and gloves, which make cleaning more convenient and protect your hands. Weighing only 4.4 pounds, the Steam Mop Cleaner is incredibly lightweight, allowing for easy maneuverability and the ability to clean hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. With a powerful 1200-watt heater, this steam cleaner heats up in just 20 seconds, quickly transforming water into steam to tackle grime and stains on various surfaces. The removable 350-milliliter water tank offers up to 25 minutes of continuous steam cleaning, making it easy to clean larger areas without frequent refills. Equipped with 9 versatile attachments, the Steam Mop Cleaner S1000A serves as an all-in-one cleaning solution for floors, kitchen appliances, and even car wheels.